Callieandjordansquad Squad, and today I'm going to be opening up a Zuru 5 surprise, 152 collect.
150 plus.
Yes, and then five toys to unbox. Well, not unbox, but and then yeah.
All right. So let's take. So it says Zuru 5 surprise.
Yep.
Unbox 5 toys. So you're right.
Yes.
You unbox them. And these are some of the toys that we can get.
And then I'm also.
We've got a lot of markers, right?
Yeah.
And we've got a lot of.
True, we do have a lot of markers.
We have a lot of popsicles.
Yes.
The highlighters.
Yeah.
All right. And then what else are we going to open up?
A splat ball. It's pretty basic. You just throw it and it splats at something.
Can I see the bag?
Yeah.
All right. So here is the splat ball. Toss it and watch it splat. Did you want to start opening that while I?
Yeah.
All right. Sticky and stretchy. Do you think Callie will be able to do it in one shot? No. All right. So it says, toss it and watch it splat. Conforms to the safety requirements of ASTM F963 directions. Oh, we've already had an LOL injury a couple days ago. Now we have a 05 surprise injury.
I do not like the ones that have these.
Okay, so don't start unboxing until I'm done talking, okay? Yep. Directions. So it says toss at a countertop or other smooth, slick surface. Watch it flatten out and then reform.
Sorry,
Do not throw at people or animals. Do not throw with excessive force and use only with adult supervision. Caution, do not pull on ball when stuck to surface or ball may tear. Allow ball to release by itself. Warning, may stain rubber, painted walls, fabrics, wallpaper, or wood surfaces. Keep away from heat. All right.
Pretty simple.
So, sticky and stretchy.
This sticks to my hand.
So, it's for ages 4 plus. Are you ages 4 plus, Callie?
I don't think Jordan is, but I think I
You don't think Jordan is?
Roblox? I didn't know he can play Roblox. Maybe more when I play Minecraft, because Minecraft is amazing.
All right. Looks like it's made by Zuru.
Zuru.
It's from Jacksonville, Florida. All right. So are you done with the 5 surprise?
So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5.
All right. Which one's going to open up first? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5?
I think I'm going to open up number 2.
Number 2. Here we go. Let's see what we're going to get in number 2. We got balloons. We've got a white balloon.
I did it. Oh.
There it is. There's a purple balloon.
This is hard.
They are because they're so small. You're doing a good job. All right. I was gonna say let it go.
Yes. So let's
All right.
open up number 3.
Open up number 3 next. So the first surprise was some balloons. I think we got 5.
Oh, another marker.
We got white, purple, pink.
Another
marker. I
probably have
don't think we
the
have this
set
color
now.
yet, do we?
No, we don't. But I'm pretty sure I have almost a whole set.
We probably have all the markers.
So now, what do you want me to draw?
don't
Maybe
know.
a butterfly. No. Can't really see what I'm drawing.
Callie's gonna try and draw something. I don't know what she's gonna draw. It's like a heart. What is that?
It's a butterfly.
It's a butterfly. Ah.
Like its little antennas.
A cute little butterfly.
There we go.
All right.
It's not that good, but.
Let's take a look at the marker.
Okay, I forgot. Oh, he's so little.
So here is the marker.
And then that's the.
5 surprise, it says.
I moved it away from me when I tried to put the cap on.
Right there. All right.
Now we're gonna open up
Box number
4.
3.
No, 4.
Oh, 4. Sorry, 4. All right, what's this one? I don't think we've got the princess.
Sure
this is a mermaid.
These change color, I'm pretty sure.
Do they? I don't know.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. And it comes with extraction.
This is our first mermaid.
This comes with extraction.
Are those banana feet?
What?
Are those banana feet?
Looks like it. Or mango. Mangoes. I love mango.
But butterflies. Mermaids don't have feet. All right. What does it say there?
I think we should just try to color change it. I'm pretty sure it's ice water too.
Oh yeah, it says thermal change mermaids.
Be right back.
These cuties change color when they are warmed. So warm hands.
Okay, warm hands.
Use your hands or run them under warm water. So get some warm water.
Okay. I got some warm water.
Got some warm water. The mermaid. The mermaid's gonna go swimming. She falls right to the bottom. And it's supposed to color change.
It's not that hot. It's like real. It's like would be really hard for like Jordan, but.
All right. How about we let her in there for a little bit? You can open up the next surprise.
Yes.
So that's our first mermaid, which is cool. Oh, what's those?
Cool. I think they're either bracelets or they're hair ties.
They're probably hair ties. All right. So
I have hair ties like this.
here's a yellow one. Here's a cool little pink and purple one. Pink and purple. It's either pink or purple, man. Come on.
Well, it is kind of magenta, like right there. Like
so I could be right. All right, and also a blue one. It looks like the old telephone wires.
You could wear this one as a hair tie or a bracelet.
Yeah, you probably could. All right. Yeah, you could probably
this
wear it
one
on
has
your.
white polka dots. That one, if you look really, really closely. My hand.
There it is.
Oh yes, it won't explode. Oh, I think she needs to be in there for a couple more minutes.
Thanks,
She didn't
Callie.
do anything.
We're having the hardest time with the color change lately.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Yeah, this is definitely.
No one wants a color change for us anymore.
This is definitely a hair.
Yes.
Also, I know a hack that can help you with these.
Yeah, Callie's the queen of hacks. If you want a hack, you just ask Callie. She's got them all.
Or if you want to know how to sleep, just ask Opal. I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to sleep, but
All right.
maybe if I stretch a balloon, will it be longer? Will it be like blue?
What? Will it be blue?
No, well, like I'd be able to blow it up longer because like bigger. I mean.
Why don't you try? Oh, that one's getting bigger.
This one's really big.
Let it go. Let's see where it goes.
Wait.
Oh.
Okay.
Let it go.
Okay.
Let it go. Let's see where it goes. Oh, that was a fail.
Yeah. Let's
All right.
try that one more time.
Let's open up the fifth one. Because we've still got the splat ball to open.
Ooh, this is cool. Oh. Oh,
What's
it's
that?
another princess.
Oh, it's another princess with the dresses.
Oh,
Awesome.
So this is her. She has the same brown hair and the tiara.
I forget what color dress did you get last time?
Yellow.
Yellow, yes, it was. It was like a belle dress, right?
Yeah, it was Belle. Well, without the bun in her hair.
All right, so here's the different surprises you can get. So we've got a whole whack of those popsicles.
We have almost all of them of the popsicles.
And then we've got the markers.
We need to get that one. Well, these are actually highlighters, and we
Highlighters.
got
Yeah. Oh, yeah. And then the markers are next. And then there's water. I don't know what that is. Like watermelon.
Should we check the mermaid now, or leave her in for a couple more minutes?
Yeah, we can check the mermaid now.
Mermaids can't drown. Then I was gonna say drown, but mermaids cannot drown. Oh, it's not changing.
See.
Does it need to be hotter? I wonder. Does it need to be like boiling?
No, it just said warm.
This is a bit more than warm, but I like it. Opal, do you want to feel my hands? It's a little wet.
I don't know.
My hand's wet. I bet you love it. You love wet. so cute.
But the mermaid is still pretty cool.
Thanks, she is.
Still pretty cool.
Yep.
All right. Hey, have you got the dress on yet? Not yet?
The mermaid's probably like LOL, where it's like, it takes a very, very,
Looks like
very
you get
long
butterflies.
time. I
You can
almost
get
have all the
ice
princesses too. Because I have those two, I just need 2 more.
Yeah, you've got the yellow.
I have Belle.
Yep.
And then I don't really know what princess wears a blue gown. So.
Oh.
And then I need Cinderella and what's her name? I can't remember.
I forget her name.
Beauty and the Beast. No, not Beauty and the Beast.
No, it's Belle.
Now my princesses.
Nice. Actually, we've got a cake. I think we got the ice cream cone the last time.
Yeah, we got the ice cream cone.
We have not got a butterfly yet.
Nope.
We got our first mermaid.
Yes, and that is
That one.
yeah, that one. It's right there, I think.
Yep.
I think.
That's it.
I think her tail would change because her tail is
And
a little
then
bit more green.
You can get ponies. We've not got a pony yet. Hopefully one day we will.
Yes.
All right. Here's the princess. Here's the mermaid.
And I tied my first flowers.
There's
kitty.
the balloons.
I did
And
not
the marker.
tie this.
And the hairbands. All right. So now we're going to open up the Splat ball, which looks like something we're not going to mention.
What? A poop? It is a poop.
Let's take a look. Why don't you open it up?
Oh, okay. Well, that's just gonna float around. Yep, no. Good. Oh, it is stretchy. Oh! Ew! Ew! Oh, it feels like it.
How do you know how it feels like?
What?
How do you know how it feels like?
How do I know what it feels like?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know what. Oh, that's all I have to say. Oh, that's cool though.
Throw it against the table again.
That would be cool.
Oh,
in
that's
slow
cool.
motion. That would be cool in slow motion. Unfortunately, I don't think we have slow motion. This is fun. You can just like, heads up. Well,
Throw it against the wall.
okay. Well, that skinny thing.
Yeah, no, just against the wall.
I missed.
You missed. How could you miss?
I don't. Look at
It's a
that.
horrible throw.
I'll try.
All right. Oh,
I did it. Can I do it again?
there you go. Okay.
Oh, this has hair on it.
Okay.
One more time. 3 in a row. 3 in a row.
All right. These are actually pretty
Can I do
cool.
it like slime? Can I stretch it like slime? No. Well, not.
Oh no, you can't. Okay, you'll break the ball.
I know.
Okay, can I see? All right. So these are
This is small.
the Splat ball. These are pretty cool. And then you throw against the table.
I'll do it for you. I wish I could watch it in slow-mo. That would be so cool.
Yeah,
Wouldn't it?
again, here's the package. They're made by Zuru.
Wait, can I see it? Where does it say?
Right at the bottom. Corner. No, other corner.
Oh. Oh yeah, Drew.
Zuru. Alright. So, okay, so let's rank what you got out of the 5 surprise. What would you rank it at 10?
Like everything?
Everything.
Like the Splat ball?
Nope. No, just the
just
5 surprise.
out of 10?
Out of 10.
And 10 being the highest and 1
10 being the
lowest.
highest, 1 being the lowest.
I rated a 10 because I got pretty cool.
You got pretty cool stuff. You got
Also,
a
I
mermaid,
love
you
the
got a
balloons.
princess, you
I
got
love
balloons, you got hairbands.
Opal likes balloons too. Well,
Yeah.
it matches you. It matches the color.
Okay, so now we're going to rank the Splat ball, Callie.
Splat
What
ball?
would you rank the Splat ball?
I give it.
It is pretty awesome.
I give it a 9.
A 9? I'm gonna give it a 10 because it's awesome looking.
I give it a 9. Actually, give it a 10.
That's okay. 9 is still a good mark.
I think we'll actually give it a 10. Actually, no, a 9 because this can get really dirty if you accidentally hit it on the stairs.
And if you have dogs and they shed and then all that stuff, yes.
Or cats that shed.
Or little kitties that shed.
We have a dog and a cat.
All right, so I hope that you enjoyed our Zuru 5 surprise and our Zuru splat ball.
Yep.
We'll have to get some more of these. These are pretty cool. I like them.
They're also like stress balls.
They are kind of like stretch balls. Stress balls.
Stretch.
All right, so remember to subscribe to the Callie and Jordan Squad.
Yes.
Hit that
Notification bell.
Smash that
Like button.
thumbs up button. Comment down below what you think of the 5 surprise and of the splat ball.
Oh, if you squeeze it like that, that looks interesting.
Share with your family, friends, and until next time.
Bye.
Peace out.